Hi, my name is Christian Schoenhef. Today I will be going over the organization and connection of cells using Screencast-O-Matic. Cells are organized and connected into tissues. As they're an organized group of cells, generally tissues are either connected by intracellular spaces, such as fluid matrix, or intracellular junctions. These junctions are structures that connect the cells by their membranes. The first example of an intracellular junction is a tight junction. These are very strong, tight connections. They inhibit transport in between the cell membranes, and they form a sheet. These junctions are so tight that they are watertight, which allows the cells to control the flow of water and nutrients. This is especially useful in the lining of the digestive system and the blood vessels around the brain, as well as the lining of the urinary bladder. In all three of these examples, the fact that the cells are controlling the transport allows for, in the case of the urinary bladder, urea and other caustic chemicals to stay in the bladder. And in the case of the digestive system and the blood vessels around the brain, these cells protect those systems. Desmosomes are slightly weaker connections, as they do allow flow in between the cells. They're sometimes called spot welds, as they are tight. They are not as tight as the tight junctions, and as they have a sort of anchoring system within the cell membranes. They do react better to mechanical stress than the other junctions, and as such, they're more prevalent in the skin and intestines where you don't where the cells and tissues could get ripped under mechanical stress. Intracellular gap junctions form a channel, and these allow for the communication of reaction potentials to travel down cardiac and smooth muscle cells specifically. These channels allow the transport of water and ions so that the cardiac and smooth muscle cells action potentials do not have to constantly be input by the nervous system, but form a wave. These gap junctions can also be seen in nervous system cells. However, they're very important in cardiac and smooth muscle cells. This is the original graphic, which all of the pictures came from. It's important to point out that even though each of these junctions has their own structure and function, many cells have more than one form of these junctions. And these are my sources.